Good morning students. Today I am going to start yes next topic equivalent fractions. So before that exercise 3.4 you can cross, it will not come in your paper. Okay. Then next topic equivalent fraction. What do you mean by equivalent fraction? How we will get equivalent fraction? When we will multiply or divide both numerator and denominator by the same number. So how we can obtain equivalent fraction? Equivalent means equal fractions. How we will get equivalent fraction? Equivalent fractions are obtained by multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same number. Or one more, we will get one more method is there to find out the equivalent fraction. Yeah, dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number. When we will multiply divide the numerator and denominator by the same number, we will get the equivalent fraction of a given fraction. Clear beta? So equivalent fraction means equal fractions. That means when we will multiply divide the numerator and denominator by the same number, we will get equivalent fraction. Okay, suppose first part, that is multiplying by the numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay, so first of all I had taken one example, 2 upon 3. How we will get the equivalent fraction of 2 upon 3? First one is multiply. So how we can multiply the number? Suppose 2 upon 3. So we can find out the equivalent fraction of 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3, both the numerator and denominator, multiply both the numerator and denominator by the same number. So when we will multiply numerator by 2, we have to multiply the denominator also by 2. We have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by same number. We will get equivalent fraction. So what is the answer? 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. Okay, another one, 2 upon 3. We can find out another equivalent fraction. Suppose I had multiplied both the numerator and denominator by suppose 5. Okay, so we have to remember, we have to multiply the same number by numerator and denominator. Okay, so 2 into 5, that's equal to 10, and 3 5s are 15. So we can say that 4 upon 6, 10 upon 15 and 2 upon 3 are the equivalent fractions. Okay, so we can write the answer: equivalent fractions of 2 upon 3 are 4 upon 6 and 10 upon 15. So these are equivalent fraction. So we can multiply any number, both the numerator 2, 3, 4, etc. Any number, say you can multiply numerator and denominator. Okay, so this now we will get the equivalent fraction. So we can say that 2 upon 3, 4 upon 6 and 10 upon 15 are equivalent fraction. Clear beta? Next, how we will get the equivalent fraction? By dividing. So एक method to multiplication, another method is dividing. We have to divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. So 3 upon 9. For example, I had taken 3 upon 9. Here I am going to divide. So which number we can use here? Both number जाने वाला, that is 3 divided by 3 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3, that's equal to 1. And 9 divided by 3, that is 3. So we can say that 3 upon 9 and 1 upon 3 are equivalent fractions. So how we will get the equivalent fractions? By multiplying and dividing both numerator and denominator by the same number. We have to multiply and divide by same number. So we will get what? Equivalent fraction. Or here we can write here also, you can write like this: 2 upon 3, 4 upon 6 and 10 upon 15 are equivalent fraction. ऐसे भी लिख सकता है, आर इक्वलेंट फ्रैक्शंस. Clear? So equivalent fraction means when we will multiply or divide the numerator and denominator by the same number, we will get the equivalent fraction. So other coming exercise is related to this part, so it will be clear for you. Okay. Next, video number 2, exercise 3.5. First question, write two equivalent fractions for the shaded part. You have to write two equivalent fractions. How many equivalent fractions you have to write? Two equivalent fractions for the shaded part and row. And row you can cut, no need to draw. You have to write the question till here only. Write two equivalent fractions for the shaded part. So you are getting some figures here. According to that figure, it's showing some fractions. You know? So you have to write the equivalent fraction of the shaded part. Okay, so first question, A part question, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The figure, the rectangle is divided into 5 equal parts, and how many parts are shaded? That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are shaded. So what is the fraction? The given figure is divided into 5 equal parts and 4 parts are shaded, and you have to find the equivalent fraction. So before that, we have to find out from the given figure, you have to find out the fraction from the fraction of the figure. So how we can write the fraction? That is 5 parts are there and 4 parts are shaded. So what is the fraction? 4 out of 5 for shaded. So you can write the fraction. The given fraction are, the fraction is, what is the fraction? Fraction is 4 upon 5. Yeah, 4 upon 5. So the given figure showing the fraction 4 upon 5. Okay, then after that you have to find out two equivalent fractions. So first equivalent fraction you can write, first equivalent fraction is equal to, what is the first equivalent fraction? You can write, how we will get the equivalent fraction? By multiplying both numerator and denominator by same number, then only you will get equivalent fraction. So here I would like to multiply numerator and denominator by 2. Okay, that is yours wish. You can take any number, but that should be same. Okay, equal to 4 2s are 8 and 5 2s are 10. First equivalent fraction we already got. Another second equivalent fraction equal to, second equivalent fraction is equal to 4 upon 5. This is our fraction. We have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by same number. You can take any number for multiplying. That is 4. I would like to take 5 and 5. I would like to take multiply by 5. So 4 5s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. So we got two equivalent fractions of the given fraction. Okay, so first of all we have to write the fraction of the given figure, so that we got 4 upon 5. After that we can find out the equivalent fraction of 4 upon 5. So first मैंने क्या किया, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, दैट इज न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर को सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, दैट इज द रूल. सो वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई बोथ द न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय 2. यू कैन टेक एनी नंबर बेटा, नो प्रॉब्लम, बट आई हैव टेकन हियर 2. So 4 2s are 8 and 5 2s are 10. So we got first equivalent fraction. Another equivalent fraction के लिए मैंने क्या किया, 5 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. You can take 10, 100, जो मर्जी आपको ले सकता है. So 4 5s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. So I got two equivalent fraction of the given figure. Then next question, C part I am going to do. So C part also one figure. So 1 2 3 4. The figure is divided into 4 equal parts and one part is shaded. So what is the fraction? 1 upon 4. So from the given figure you can write the fraction. The fraction is 1 upon 4 है ना. 1 2 3 4 4 parts are there and one part is shaded. So from the given diagram we can write the fraction. 4 में से 1 shaded, so 1 upon 4 is the fraction. After that we can find out the first equivalent fraction. we need two equivalent fractions है ना. So first equivalent fraction equal to 1/4 into numerator and denominator को same number से multiply करना है. So I would like to multiply by 3. Numerator and denominator को मैंने 3 से multiply करना है. So 1 3s are 3 and 4 3s are 12. Okay, so we got first equivalent fraction. ठीक है. And next equivalent fraction, second equivalent fraction is is equal to 1/4 multiply both numerator and denominator by मैंने suppose I would like to take 10. Okay, so 1 10s are 10 and 4 10s are 40. So I got two equivalent fraction, any two. So it's not compulsory first two. It's saying that write two equivalent fractions. So any two numbers you can take and multiply, so you will get the equivalent fraction of the given. Okay. And one part is homework for you, D part is homework. I will send the details. Then video number 3, write 5 equivalent fractions of each. Write 5 equivalent fractions of each. So you are getting some fractions here. You have to write 5 equivalent fractions of each fraction. So I am going to do the C part question, 3/4. So how we can write the equivalent fraction? So we need how many equivalent? Previous question we had written only 2 equivalent fraction, but here you have to write how many equivalent? We need 5 equivalent fractions. So first 3/4. So we can start. First equivalent fraction we can write, and first 3/4 into 2. That's equal to 6/8. Okay, then second another equivalent fraction 3/4. Random wise also you can take, 3 से भी multiply करके कर सकता है. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. And third equivalent fraction 3/4 into 4 4 equal to 3 4s are 12 and 4 4s are 16. Next fourth equivalent fraction 3/4 into 5 into 5, that's equal to 15/20. Then fifth one 3/4 into 6 into 6, that's equal to 3 6 are 18 and 4 6 are 24. So we got 5 equivalent fraction of 3/4. So we can write the 5 equivalent fractions of 3/4 are 6/8, 9/12, 12/16, 15/20 and 18/24. So these are the 5 equivalent fractions of 3/4. So beta, it's not compulsory to take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. You can take any number, but you have to multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number. You will get the equivalent fraction. Okay, I had taken randomly here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, but it's not compulsory. You can take any 5 numbers and multiply. Okay, the next part 6/7. 6/7 also we can take the equivalent fractions. So first I am taking 6/7 into first 5 bolo. Agar suppose the question is coming first 5, so you have to take randomly, otherwise any 5. So here it's not mentioned. Write 5 equivalent fractions of each. Any 5 equivalent fraction you can find out. So I would like to take first I had taken 3. Okay, that's equal to 21, 18/21. So next I would like to take 6/7 multiplied by 5 and 5, that's equal to 30/35. 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are 35. Next third 6/7 multiplied by 7 7. Okay, 6 sevens are 42 and 7 sevens are 49. Okay, next one, 6 upon 7, fourth one, that's equal to numerator and denominator. I would like to take 10. 10, that's equal to 6 tens are 60 and 7 tens are 70. Then fifth one, I would like to take 6 upon 7 multiplied by 11 equal to 66 upon 77. So we got different equivalent fractions. Okay, so we can write the answer. The equivalent fractions of 6 upon 7 are, I had written here, 18 upon 21, 30 upon 35, 42 upon 49, 60 upon 70 and 66 upon 77. So these are the equivalent fractions of the given fraction 6 upon 7. Now video number 4, fill the number in the boxes. So you are getting some fractions here and in between you can see some boxes also there. So you have to find out the missing numbers in the boxes. So first part, 2 upon 3 is equal to dash upon 6 equal to dash upon 9 is equal to dash up 16 upon dash is equal to 18 upon dash. So that means equal to, in between you can see equal to sign. That means these are equivalent fractions. Okay, so what is which fraction ka equivalent fraction we have to find out? We have to find out the equivalent fraction of 2 upon 3. So first fraction is 2 upon 3. You have to find out the equivalent fraction of 2 upon 3. Okay, so first fraction you can consider, that is 2 upon 3 is equal to dash upon 6. So here you can see the denominator is 6. That means here denominator 3 and here denominator is 6. So we can say that 3 2s are 6 है ना. When we will multiply 3 by 2 you will get the denominator 6 here है ना. So 3 2s are 6. When you will multiply 2 here you have to multiply the numerator also by 2. That means 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are. Next fraction dash upon 9, but here also you can see the denominator is 9 and here a first fraction 3 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. So numerator 2 3s are 6. Okay, so the numerator will become 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6. Okay, next one 16 upon dash. So we can consider the numerator here 2, here 8, 16. So 2 8s are 16. 2 into 8 that's equal to 16. So denominator को भी किससे multiply करना है? 8 से. That is 3 8s are 24. समझ गया? 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24. Next one, here numerator is given 18, that is 2 and 18, that is 2 9s are 18, 2 9s are 18, then 3 9s are 27. So we got all the missing numbers है ना. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27. Okay, next one, C part I am going to do. Okay, then first part 5 upon 6 we have to find out the missing fraction, that means missing equivalent fraction. So first fractions 5 upon 6 and 10 upon dash. 5 2s are 10, then 6 2s are 12, then 5 3s are 15, then 6 3s are 18, then 6 4s are 24, 6 4s are 24, then 5 4s are 20, then 6 6 are 36, then 5 6 are 30. Okay beta, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18. Then here denominator is given, that is 6 4s are 24, then 5 4s are 20, then 6 6 are 36 and 5 6 are 30. So these are the missing fraction, and these two fractions you have to do homework. These are also homework. Okay.